You better be giving yourself a little pat on the back, little bit of props. You made it. Saturn in Pisces, and we're still standing. You're here. That was not a small thing. We're not just talking about Saturn in the sign of Pisces. We had Rahu North Node there. That means we had the eclipses there. While Saturn was there, Mars was doing its retrograde, debilitated in the sign of Cancer. For a while, we had Jupiter in its exile in the sign of Gemini. It was a complete crap show. You made it. And the video that I have up is about this, as well as the article on the website. And they're meant to be a point of reflection. At this point, we're supposed to do some self-inventory to understand what didn't kill us, made us stronger. And we need this. When Saturn goes into the sign of Aries and it's debilitated, we're going to have false starts, false ignition. We need to know our inner oomph. We need to know what we can go without, when we need to pause. All of these are super important. But beyond all of that, you made it. If I were there, I'd hug you, a big bear hug. I need a bear hug. We all need a hug. Much props. Sending you much love.